What's up guys, brokeham here, and I've got a new product. I don't have a name for this yet. I just call this Vibroplex flat extender. So this is to extend the length of your Vibroplex lightning to slow it down so that it keys slower. So I'm going to show you how to put it on and how it works, and then I'll tell you where you can get it. So here's my Vibroplex lightning. I got it set to as fast as it will go. So here it is. I'm never going to send that fast. Here's as slow as it goes. That's not horrible. I can kind of do that, but I'm still learning. The manual side of this is kind of a barrier for me. So if I could just have a little bit longer on the dits for my brain to kind of catch up with me what I'm doing here. So that's kind of why I printed this. Here it is in a different color. When I'm selling this, I don't plan on letting you choose the color. It's just going to be kind of like whatever I have available on the printer at the moment. But I am going to be sending 5 of them. And for the cost of $10, you're going to get 5 of them. And they will be mailed directly to you. So let me take my weight off there. So how we install this is, if you see here, we've got a little notch here on the lightning. There is a little bar there that hits your damper. That's where that groove lines up. So you just, and you don't have to push overly hard, just but it might take a little bit of force because it's just a friction fit. And so now that that's on there, you can put our weight on. You can actually slide it on from the front. Oops. Well, if you tighten it up enough, it'll stay on there. All right. So now this is, when you got your weight on this side, this is the speed. Now that's just enough for me to kind of like get my head around it. So I don't anticipate that I'll be using this a lot, but I think that this is going to be a great kind of training aid to slow it down just a little bit. And that was a 5, but close enough. Like I said, I'm still learning this. And then also if you come way out here, you can see kind of how slow it goes now. That's too slow for me, but that's messing me up how slow it is. So that's what that is. That's like I said, I'm going to sell these in packs of 5. I think that $10 is a fair price just because I have to ship it. Really, the cost isn't shipping, but I think that this is a worthwhile product. So if you want to pick up one of these, you go over to brokeham.com. You'll see some of my other stuff I have for sale. And that's all the time I have for today. Thanks a lot. 73.